Hello, hi guys, good evening and very warm welcome to today's session. This is Anna Khan, your math master teacher from Vedantu. So what's up 90s? How are you all? Are you all excited for the chapter number 2, Polynomials, lecture number 3? Well, in today's lecture, we will be learning about factor theorem and factorizations of a polynomial. Okay. So in the last class, we have learned about zeros of polynomial, finding zeros with the help of remainder theorem. Now, in today's session, we know what is a zero. We will get to know how can we use a zero to find out the factors of a polynomial, right? Or let's say another easier method of finding out the factors of a polynomial, right? Hello Samriddhi, hi Sudhiksha, hi Tanu, hi Sheetal, hi Swati, hi Ridhima, hi Shrivarshini. Shrivarshini beta, these days providing PDF is a bit difficult actually because we don't have any team to do that, and there is some issues going on, so I don't know that by when we can provide the PDFs. Okay. Hi Janani, hi Adarsh. Alright, so let's get started with today's lecture. This is Sana Khan, your math master teacher from Vedantu, and I am here to make mathematics the easiest subject for all of you. Okay, so if you are ready to rock and roll in today's class, don't forget to mark your attendance and hit on the like button. Show us some love. Here's our love. Mark the like button, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new on our channel. All right, chalo. क्या बात है शीतल? That's awesome. That's awesome. Hi, Shumaila. Shrivarshini, for class 9th, the days are Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay. Very good, Janani. Hi, Janvi. So, right now, as you all can see, I am taking this class on the Wave platform of Vedantu. Okay. So, how can you join this Wave platform of Vedantu? It is very simple. Just go to the description of this video. Okay. This is class 9 polynomials ka video. Okay. Just go to the description. You will see the first line. Watch this session live on Wave. Can you see that? Click on this, website will open, log in, and then give the permission for your camera or mic, whatever it is asking, and you can start the class. Okay. So whether you are using phone or laptop, both are fine. You can go to the description, click on the link, and go to the website. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. No, Tanu, I didn't get time, beta. Hi, Janvi. Yes. Shall we start now? Okay, so everybody quickly join the class because we are going to have lots of quizzes. Okay, so do you want to participate in the quiz? Do you want to see your name in the fastest finger list? Do you want to come in the leaderboard of the class? If yes, then join in right away, right now, because the class will start with a quiz. So if you join late, you're going to miss out the quizzes. All right. Just click on the link in the description via your mobile or your laptop, and then we can start. Okay, guys. Chalo. So starting with a quote from Socrates. It's better to change an opinion than to persist in a wrong one. Many a times in our life, we just continue to have a perception on something, and then we are very resilient towards changing it, but it should not happen that way. If we feel that our opinion might be wrong, if others are getting affected with it, we might try changing it as well, right? I'm G Shravya waiting for you. Okay, Tim. All right, so everybody gets it ready because we are starting the quizzes. So guys, are you all ready? We are going to start with the recap quiz. Shall we begin? Sheetal beta, my Instagram ID is SANAKHAN_Vedantu. Sanakhan_Vedantu. Okay. All right. So 3, 2, 1, go. Question number 1 on your screen. What will be the value of PT if PT is 2 plus T plus 2T square minus T cube when T is equal to 0? Very, very easy question. I want 100% right answer. Okay. Everyone should get correct answer. What will be the value of PT when T is equal to 0? That means you have to find out the value of P0. Ready? Chalo, Sheetal, I told you Instagram ID already. Come on, guys, answer this. Solve it. What will be the value of P0? Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Mark your answers. On the fastest finger list, we have Hardik, Shravya, Sudhiksha, Swati, Adarsh, Krishna, Jasleen, and Vasant. Awesome! 73% right answer. Very good. Okay, so the right answer is 2 because this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Only 2 is left. Next question. My Telegram ID is, I guess, at the rate Sana Khan 209. This is my Telegram ID. If the polynomial fx is 2x cube minus 13x square plus 17x plus 12, find the value of f2. Find the value of f2. But Sheetal, I am not active on Telegram. I use Instagram more. So if you are texting me on Telegram, I might not reply. Hi Seema, welcome. Join in the classes. Find the value of f2. And why are we having so less students today? So many students absent. What happened? Ready? 3, 2, 1, and start. Mark your answer. Fastest finger list पे है Sudhiksha, Shravya, Varshita and Shumaila only 40%. Why, bachcho, why? So let's put the value of 2 over here. 2 into 2 cube minus 13 into 2 square plus 17 into 2 plus 12. So it is 2 into 8, 13 into 4, 17 twos are 34 plus 12. So 2 8 is 16, 4 3 is 12, 2 carrier 4 and 4 plus 1 5, 52 plus 32 plus 12. So 52 plus 32 is minus 20. Minus 20 plus 16 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 12 is, it should be 8 somewhat, right? Why am I getting 8 as the answer? Is it coming 8? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, and 13 4 is a 52, 17 to the. Acha, sorry, this is 34, na? So sorry. So sorry, it is 34, yeah. So, yes, the answer will be 10. Alright. Chalo. Now let's start today's lecture. But before that, a very, very important information for all of you. Is your dream scoring 100 out of 100 in all the exams this year in your school? If yes, then you should try out the pro courses of Vedantu, which is going on right now on the Wave platform of Vedantu, where you get super amazing courses by your favorite master teachers for math, physics, chemistry, biology, SST and English. All the amazing subjects, important subjects, complete syllabus covered, with all your doubts solved, with a lots of quizzes and leaderboards, so that you have a complete interactive class where you can ask doubt, answer questions like that. Regular test series for your evaluation, mock test before your annual exams, assignments for your practice, class notes, study materials, and replays of all the classes. Okay, so try it out. It's a very amazing subscription. How you can enroll it? You can click on the link in the description of the video, go to the website and enroll with my coupon code SKEPRO. You will also get a 10% discount. So try it out. Okay, chalo. Now let's begin today's lecture. So, what is a factor of a polynomial? We have already learned this in class 8 as well. Factorization of algebraic expressions. Do you all remember factorization of algebraic expression? Now, this is very similar to that. Okay. Thank you, Sheetal. Thank you so much, beta. So, what is a factor of a polynomial? If I have a polynomial gy, y square plus 2y minus 15, then the value of y, because of which gy becomes equal to 0. Okay? So, the value of y, because of which gy becomes 0, is factor, is not the factor, is basically 0 of the polynomial. And this value, whatever value you are getting, if you write it in this format, for example, if minus 5 is the 0 of the polynomial, okay? If minus 5 is the 0 of the, wait, I will just go to another. So here what we have done, we have found out that at y minus 5 and y3, we get the 0 of the polynomial. Okay. So if y is minus 5, it is a 0 of the polynomial. Then y plus 5 will be the factor of the polynomial. Understood? Similarly, if y is equal to 3 is a 0 of the polynomial, then y minus 3 will be factor of the polynomial. Understood? So if plus 3 is the 0, y minus 3 will be the factor. If y is equal to minus 5 is the 0, then y plus 5 will be the factor of the polynomial. Okay, understood? 0 is very simple, Kanhaiya. 0 means the value of the variable because of which the polynomial becomes 0. It's so simple. For example, in an algebraic expression, the value of the variable because of which the algebraic expression becomes 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. For example, in the linear equation chapter, you have learnt about solution of an equation, right? So, solution of an equation is the 0 of the equation and hence factor of the equation. Okay. Y is equal to 0 minus 3 minus 3. Kanhaiya, I am unable to understand your question, beta. Okay. What is the factor? Everybody understood? Is it clear? Chalo, let me take one example over here. I am taking the example of x square plus 5x plus 6. Okay. Now, what is the value of this polynomial px? What are the zeros of this polynomial px? So, zeros of px are, at what value will it become 0? At what value will it become 0? 0 is not a 0 of this polynomial, Adarsh. Zeros of this polynomial are minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2 and minus 3 are the zeros of this polynomial. Why? Because if you put minus 2, the entire expression will become 0. Right? So, what are the factors of px? What will be the factors of px? the factors of px will be x plus 2 and x plus 3. Now everybody understood what is a 0 and what is a factor? Factor is a polynomial which can divide the given polynomial. Okay. So factor is a polynomial. Write down the definition. Factor is a polynomial which can divide the given polynomial. Leaving remainder 0. Everybody note it down. Leaving remainder 0. Okay. So what is a factor? A factor is a polynomial which can divide the given polynomial leaving the remainder 0. Okay. Now, you might be wondering, ma'am, 0 kaise nikala? How are we getting the 0 of the polynomial now? Have you forgotten about lecture number 1 and lecture number 2? Why are you asking how to get 0 of the polynomial? You obviously know it is a quadratic equation. How to get the value of alpha and beta? I told you guys, right? But don't worry, I'm going to explain that once again in today's class, okay? I will explain how to find out 0, how to find out factor. I will explain. Right now, I am just explaining the definition of factor. How to find out factor? I will tell you, don't worry. Okay? Chal. Now, how to find out factor is by factor theorem. Okay, so how to factorize a polynomial, how to find out the factor of a polynomial, it is told by the factor theorem. So factor theorem says that if px is a polynomial of degree greater than 1 and a is any real number, then x minus a is a factor of px if pa is equal to 0. So how to find out factor? So you can find out factor by finding out a polynomial x minus a such that pa is equal to 0. For example, just now we did in the previous question. Suppose my polynomial px is x square plus 5x plus 6. Let us put the value of p minus 2. So it is minus 2 whole square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. So this is 4 minus 10 plus 6 is equal to 0. So p minus 2 is basically 0. Therefore, we can say that x plus 2 is a factor of this polynomial, right? Why x plus 2? Because if a is the 0, then minus a will be the factor, okay? So for this polynomial, x plus 2 will be the factor because p minus 2 is equal to 0, okay? Hi Alia. So factor theorem also tells us the same thing. Factor theorem tells us that if px is a polynomial with power greater than 1, with degree greater than 1, then x minus a, it is a linear polynomial. It will be a factor of px if pa is equal to 0. Alright? And vice versa is also true. If pa is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of px. If x minus a is a factor, pa will be 0. So vice versa, both are true. Okay? Yes, amazing Chetna. So, basically, it is trial and error. Trial and error. Right? Try and find out, is minus 2 a factor? Is minus 3 a factor? Is 2 a factor? Is 0 a factor? So, you are doing trial and error. Right? Yes, Saya, what happened? Now, the proof of factor theorem is very, very simple. So, by remainder theorem, remember remainder theorem we have learnt yesterday. Remainder theorem says that Px is a polynomial which can be written as x minus a into qx plus pa. This is a remainder theorem. Now, for a factor to be there, pa value should be 0. That is what is factor theorem. Factor theorem says that pa is 0, then x minus a should be a factor. So let us put pa is equal to 0 over here. So if this becomes 0, px will be x minus a into qx. This implies that x minus a is a factor of px. Hence proved. And similarly, we can prove it vice versa. Since x minus a is a factor of px can be written as x minus a into gx for some polynomial gx. In this case, if I put a in the place of x, then I am getting pa is equal to 0. So like that also we can prove. Okay. Yes, Sheetal, you're absolutely right. Now, what type of question will be asked? So question number 1, examine whether x plus 2 is a factor of this polynomial and this polynomial. So how to find out? If your polynomial px is x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6, and you want to find out x plus 2 is a factor or not, so you will write down by factor theorem, if x plus 2 is a factor, p minus 2 should be equal to 0. Understood or not understood? By factor theorem, if x plus 2 is a factor, then p minus 2 should be equal to 0. So let us put it over here. What is the value of p minus 2? Minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6. So it is 4 plus 3 into 4 minus 10 plus 6. So this is basically 4 plus 3 fours are 12 minus 10 plus 6. And oh sorry, so here we are getting minus 10 and minus 4, and this is not minus 4, this will be 8 8 8 8. Yeah, 8. Now minus 8 minus 10 is minus 16, and 12 plus 6 is minus 18 plus 18, so this is equal to 0, right? Why p minus 2 Parkavi beta? That's what I explained na. अगर x plus 2 factor है, then minus 2 will be the 0. What is factor theorem, Parkavi? Factor theorem says that if PA is 0, then x minus a will be the factor. Similarly, if x plus 2 is a factor, that means x minus minus 2 is a factor. So this is x minus a. So what is the value of a? A will be minus 2, right? Told you. If the factor is plus 2, the 0 is minus 2. If the 0 is plus 2, the factor is minus 2. The sign will change. Understood? Right. So we have proved it that it is coming 0, and similarly for x plus 2 also, when you put minus 2, you will get 0. Hence, x plus 2 is a factor of this polynomial as well as this polynomial. Both of them. Okay. Abhi, how to prepare for class 8 board exam. Okay, Alia. Now, this was all about a random polynomial, cubic, quadratic, or any type of polynomial, and how to apply factor theorem based on that. Okay. So, what did I do over here? We applied factor theorem, hai na? How we applied factor theorem? If x plus 2 is a factor, p minus 2 should be 0. That is factor theorem. Okay. Nahi, Shravya. That's what we are going to learn now. So, Shravya is asking how to factorize quadratic polynomial. That's what we will learn, Shravya. So, to factorize quadratic polynomial, we have two methods: splitting the middle term method and using factor theorem method. No need of trial and error. No need of trial. Kanhaiya, sometimes Joel comes, sometimes he doesn't come. Sayes Bhaiya, please ask this to management at Vedantu. Teachers are not responsible for it, and also we also don't like it much, but there are some rules because of which it is happening. Okay, chalo. So what is splitting the middle term and how to apply factor theorem? Let's learn them one by one. So do you all remember splitting the middle term? Splitting the middle term says that if you have a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, then how to find out the factors? Write b as the sum of two numbers whose product is ac. That means what? Suppose you have an algebraic expression, or you can say a polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. How to split the middle term? Basically, b should be written as alpha plus beta such that alpha into beta is a into c. Everybody try to understand it, okay? So ax square plus bx plus c is a polynomial. How to split the middle term? By trial and error, find out alpha and beta such that alpha plus beta is equal to b, alpha into beta is equal to a into c. So in this situation, what is possible? Now, what is the trick to do this? So this was like theory. Now, what is the trick? What is the trick? Let me tell you the trick. So the trick is basically factorize AC. Factorize AC. So what is AC? AC is equal to 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay. So if you factorize AC, the factors of AC are 2 into 3 into 1, or you can write 6 into 1. These are the factors of AC, right? Now, after factorizing AC, pick out two factors such that the sum is equal to b. So what is the value of b here? The value of b is 7. Now, since 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, this implies that alpha is equal to 6 and beta is equal to 1. Also, you can check alpha and beta is equal to 6 into 1 is equal to 6, which is equal to AC. Therefore, your alpha and beta should be 1 and 6. Everybody understood? Let me explain you once again what we are doing over here. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. This is our equation. Now b is equal to 7. AC is equal to 2 into 3. Now 7 can be written as 1 plus 6 and 2 into 3 is also basically can be written as 1 into 6. Right? 7 can be written as 1 plus 6 and 2 into 3 can be written as 1 into 6. This implies that alpha is 1, beta is 6. But alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. So what are the factors? What are the factors? Factors are x minus alpha and x minus beta. So what are the factors of the equation? Yes, परसों session होगा. So therefore the factors are x minus 1 and x minus 6. Understood everybody? Understood what you have to do? First you have to find out alpha and beta. Then you have to write down the factors x minus alpha, x minus beta. X minus 1, x minus 6, they are the factors of the polynomial. Okay? Very good. Now let us learn about factor theorem. How to factorize by factor theorem. Now this is basically a longer method and completely unnecessary method. I don't know why we learn about factorization by factor theorem. Okay. परसों class 10th का होगा साया. Okay. So how to factorize factor theorem? Basically, suppose you have a polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Can you write it as a into x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a? That is basically a into gx polynomial, right? Where gx is this polynomial. So first of all, we are making the coefficient of x square as 1 if it is not 1. Then by trial and error, we are finding out the factors of this particular gx polynomial. Okay. So how to factorize this expression by factor theorem? First of all, divide the polynomial by 6. That is, divide it by a. Okay. So when I am dividing it by a, it is 6 common. X square plus 17 upon 6x plus 5 upon 6. which is basically 6 into px. Px is this polynomial. Now we will factorize px such that it is equal to x minus a into x minus b. So how to find out the value of a and b? First of all, we will apply here ab is the constant term. So ab will be a into b will be 5 by 6 and a plus b will be minus b upon a, that is minus 17 upon 6. Now we will factorize 5 by 6. So what are the factors of 5 by 6? 5 by 6 into 1, 5 by 3 into half, 5 by 2 into 1 by 3. So the factors of 5 by 6 are these. Therefore, the value of x will be minus 1, minus 5 by 3, minus 5 by 2, minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 2. Now by trial and error, that is by factor theorem, we will put the value in this polynomial and we will find the value for which the expression is becoming 0. Now after trial and error, we have found out p minus 5 by 2 is 0 and p minus 1 by 3 is 0. Therefore, now we will put them in the formula and we will get the factors of this polynomial. Now this method is very long and very unnecessary. Like, you are actually doing here splitting the middle term, but you are just naming it as factor theorem. So this method is not at all required, very unnecessary method. Splitting the middle term is the best method. Okay. Yes, Nitya Kapoor, I told you that and I even found out about it. But since I am not taking AI live classes, so I don't have a demo of AI live classes. I have asked other technical team members to provide me a demo so that I can show you guys. Okay, Nitya. All right. तुम कहाँ से हो? Yes, yes. Routine, yes, but I will tell you the routine, and the routine is very, very simple. So the timetable of our classes is this. Okay. So the timetable of our class, I think I have already told you guys this before also, but still I will tell you once again. So timetable of our classes, class 9 will be Tuesday 5 p.m. Yeah, 5 p.m. and Wednesday 6:15 p.m. That's your timing. Class 10 will be Monday 5 p.m., Wednesday 4 p.m., Friday 5 p.m. That is the timetable. You can note it down. When I get it, Nitya beta, I honestly don't have it, so I can only show it when I get it, right? But what do you want to know about AI live classes? You can tell me. I have taken AI live classes earlier in the form of micro courses. So if you have any confusion, you can ask me, Nitya. I can tell you. क्योंकि others your syllabus is very very small. Class 9 का syllabus is so less. इतना सा syllabus है. That's why you guys are having only 2 days for every week. Because your syllabus is very less. It can complete very very easily, very very soon. Chalo, let's practice one question. Okay. You are right, Kanhaiya. Okay, let's solve this question. Use the factor theorem to determine whether gx is a factor of px. How we will determine that, bacho? Tell me how to find out gx polynomial is a factor of px. Find out, find out, find out. Yes, Nitya. So how your doubts get solved? For your doubt solving, there will be a class teacher present in the class who will be solving your doubts instantly within the class itself. Okay. So they will be able to answer you in the chats panel, and from there they will be able to solve your doubts. Now, do you have a separate doubt solving classes? Maybe yes. I think in between the regular classes, after every chapter, you might be having a doubt solving class as well. I will confirm and let you know about that. But yes, for your doubt solving, you have class teacher in the class who is separately sitting there just to clear your doubts. Nothing for else, not for nothing else. Okay. Why trial and error, Chetna? We are using factor theorem. Factor theorem says that if gx is a factor of px, then what is gx? X plus 2. So if x plus 2 is a factor of px, then p minus 2 will be equal to 0. Why are you guys not understanding factor theorem? Why are you so confused? No, 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 no r equals to 0, no x is equal to 0. If gx is the factor of px, if x plus 2 is the factor, what did I tell you? P minus 2 should be equal to 0. This is how you have to check. This is how you have to check. How can you check x plus 2 is a factor? You can check it by putting p minus 2 in the polynomial. Okay. Put the value of p x as minus 2 in the equation. Find out. How come your answer is minus 1, Arushi? The question is asking, is it a factor or is it not a factor? So your answer should be yes or no. Your answer cannot be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Your answer should be yes or no. Okay, find out. So minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1. So this is minus 8 plus 3 fours are 12 minus 3 twos are 6 plus 1. So minus 8 plus 12 is 4. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So since it is not equal to 0, since p minus 2 is not equal to 0, therefore gx is not a factor of px. Everybody understood now? Everybody understood now what you have to do? If x plus 2 is a factor of the polynomial, then p minus 2 should be equal to 0. So find out whether it is 0 or not. If it is not 0, it is not a factor. Now understood? Okay, let's do one quiz question. Ready? Everybody, let's solve some questions. Yes, Arushi, you're half correct. Let's solve some quiz question. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px, where px is kx square minus 3x plus k. Janvi beta, to join the quiz, you have to join the class on Wave. How to join the class? To join the class, just go to this video, polynomials ka video. Go to the first link. This link in the description is basically how to give the quizzes. Ready? Come on, everybody, join the class. Yeah. So what will be the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px? What you have to do here in this question, what we will do? Ready? What we will do in this question, tell me. No, Shravya. Factor theorem we will apply if x minus 1 is a factor of px, then p1 will be 0. Like this we will solve the equation. Chalo. 3, 2, 1, start. Find out the answer. And nobody is right. What is this? Why is option B correct? Let's see. So P1 should be equal to 0. So K into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus k is equal to 0. K into 1 square is k minus 3 plus k is 0. So 2k is equal to 3, so k is equal to 3 upon 2. K should be 3 upon 2. Yes, but why is it marked? Oh, so it is wrong. It will be option A. Yeah, it will be option A, 3 upon 2. Maybe wrongly it is marked as option B. So ignore this question, please. Let's do the next question. Factorize 6x square plus 5x minus 6 by splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term. Come on. Okay, Shravya. Factorize 6x square plus 5x minus 6. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Mark your answers. Hi Joel, what's up? How are you? Very good. Sidiksha, Krishna, Arushi, and Sakshi have given right answer. And well done, bacho. Well done. So, what is the right answer? Well, the right answer is 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 2. When you will factorize, you will get x as minus 3 upon 2 and 2 upon 3. So, these two are the zeros. Therefore, option C is the factors of this polynomial. And now the last question. Factorize 1 minus 2ab minus a square plus b square. What is the factor of this equation? I'm good, Joel. How are you? Watch it out, Joel, to know. Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Mark your answers. Sheetal Beta, I will try to reply you on Telegram, but I told you already I don't use Telegram much, Beta. Oh, only Shumaila, Chetna, Radhima, and Sakshi are right. Option D is the right answer. If you would have multiply these two factors, now you will get the equation. Multiply and get the equation. It was simple. All right, guys. So that was all for today's session. Thank you all for joining. Now, this was your homework, which I gave you yesterday. So find out the value of k if it is divisible by x plus 1 and the value of k is coming out to be 2, right? So my homework champs are Harsh, Krishna, Sudhiksha and Kanhaiya who have answered all the questions correctly. So well done, bacho. And this is your homework question for today. Can you simplify this expression by factorizing the numerator and the denominator? Okay. क्या बात है शीतल? Very good, very good. Okay, guys, so do solve it now. Are you all ready for the GK Champions battle? Do you want to be the champion of the day? Get set ready. We are having the GK Champions battle right now. So, bachcho, who is going to be the champion today? Who is going to be the champion today? Tell me. Let's go. Question number 1 on your screen. Which of the following is a non-metal that remains liquid at room temperature? 3, 2, 1, go. And everybody has answered. Let's see who is on the fastest finger list. Awesome. So we have Varshita, Shravya, Sudhiksha, and Adarsh, and Sakshi, and Krishna, and Chetna. Awesome. Very good. Next question. So the right answer is bromine. Which one is the longest river of Africa? 3, 2, 1, go. Longest river in Africa. Bye, Kanaya. Yes, Army forever. I know BTS very well. Bank 10 boys. Yes, super easy question, right? So we all know that the longest river in Africa is Nile. Very good. Varshita +1. Sudhiksha +1. Then we have Adarsh +1. Sakshi +1. Krishna has not given the answer. Chetna has given the answer. And okay, so Varshita and Sudiksha are right now in the battle as well as others. Let's see who is going to win. The right answer is Nile. Right? Next question. In reference to lawn tennis, what is the height of the net? Who is calling you night board, Kanaya? Shravya, तुम्हारा आंसर करेक्ट था क्या? I didn't see it. Have you answered it? But you were in the lower na. 3, 2, 1, go! In lawn tennis, what is the height of the net? It is a little difficult question. Let's see who will answer it right. Everybody has answered. Fingers crossed. Who will give the right answer? Oh my god, Varshita! Congratulations. Now, Varshita and Sakshi, no. Yeah, Sakshi has given 2 answers correct. Oh my god. So Sudiksha and Shravya and others are losing the battle over here. Okay, Shravya, but this time you are not there. So Varshita is the winner. Congratulations. So the right answer is 3 feet. And the champion's trophy goes to Varshita. Congratulations, Varshita. You are the winner for the day. And today is 25th of May 2022. So well done. Congratulations, Varshita. Yes, Kanhaiya, the answer is 3 feet. Alright, guys, so that was all about today's class. I hope you all had fun. Now, moving on, guys, how to decide which Vedanta course is best suitable for you. So, this is the best differentiation between Pro Light courses, Pro Classic, and Pro Plus courses of Vedantu. So, in Pro Light, you are having all the amazing features. Everything is there. The only difference is your doubts will be solved by the class teacher rather than the master teacher. But in Pro Plus, even your doubts are solved by the master teachers and you will get the Tatva book in the form of hard copy delivered to your home. So that is the difference between Pro Lite and Pro Plus. So you can choose one according to your benefit. Okay. Kanaya beta, the routine is this basically. This is the timetable. Okay. So to enroll the Vedantu courses, you can use my coupon code SKEPRO to get a 10% discount and enroll. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for joining in today and see you all in the next class on next Tuesday. Till then, take care and have fun. Also, by the way, tomorrow we are having KGF versus Pushpa Maha quiz. Okay, and we are having a guest with us, so don't watch it. Don't miss it out. Do watch it tomorrow, 6:15 p.m. Okay, let me write it over here for all of you. Tomorrow we are having 6:15 p.m. KGF versus Pushpa quiz. Anup sir will also be there. We'll have fun together. Oh yeah, let's see the leaderboard. And the leaderboard has Sakshi at the top, then Sutiksha, Varshita, Shravya, Arushi, Krishna, Radhima, Shumaila, Vasanta, Janani, Adarsh, Chetna, Hardik, Janvi, and Swati. Congratulations! Alright. Thank you so much, bacho. See you all in the next class. Till then, take care. See ya.